everyone! Kasama natin ngayon si Ate Shane. And it's Memory Verse time! Let's talk about a super important Bible verse. It's all about how to be chill and how to control our emotions. Santiago 1:19b. Matuto kayong makinig, dahan-dahan sa pagsasalita, at huwag agad magagalit. Santiago 1:19b. Let's first talk about sino ang sumulat at ang historical background. Ate Shane, can you share?
Sure po! The Book of James or Santiago was written by James, na kapatid ni Jesus. Can you believe it? He was one of the leaders of the early Christian church in Jerusalem. He wrote this letter around 40 to 50 years after the death of Christ. That time, ang daming pinagdadaanan ng mga Kristiyano. Persecution, challenges, and misunderstandings. Kaya, isinulat ni James ang letter na ito to teach them paano mabuhay ng may discretion o kahinahunan sa mga actions nila.
Tama! Si James talaga ay nagtuturo ng faith in action. Para sa kanya kasi, hindi lang sapat na naniniwala ka. Dapat nakikita rin ito sa ating mga gawa. Very practical. Sabi niya, kailangan natin, una, makinig muna. Mag-isip bago magsalita at pigilin ang ating galit. Imagine kasi that time, sobrang daming tensyon. People were quick to argue. Sounds familiar, right? Kahit ngayon, we need to apply the same lessons. So let's break down the verse. First part ay matuto kayong makinig. Bakit kaya importante ito?
It's important because listening shows respect. Kung makikinig muna tayo, mas maiintindihan natin ang ibang tao. I mean, paano tayo makikinig kay Lord or sa ibang tao kung tayo lang ang nagsasalita, hindi ba? When we listen, we understand better. If we just take the time to listen, we can avoid a lot of misunderstandings.
True, which brings us to the second part. Dahan-dahan sa pagsasalita. Ang ibig sabihin ni James is to think before you speak. Hindi pwede yung react agad, lalo na paggalit tayo or emotional. When we speak without thinking, minsan we say things na sobrang hurtful or we regret it later. Words are powerful. They can either build people or tear them down. Sabi ni James, discretion is super important. Mas okay yung mag-isip muna kaysa magsalita ng impulsive. Kasi once the words are out, hindi mo na mababawi.
Exactly! Which brings us to the third part. Huwag agad magagalit. Ito talaga napakahirap because controlling our anger isn't really easy, right? Pero diba, mas mabuti if we react with understanding. When we practice discretion, we show wisdom and grace in every situation. So, let's choose to respond calmly with a gentle heart. James teaches us to slow down and don't let anger control us. Any tips on how to do that, Teacher Mikay?
For me, super helpful yung pausing and praying before we react. Apply this every day and see how this helps.
I agree. Prayer really helps me manage my emotions.
In our everyday interactions, whether with our friends, family, or classmates, madalas may mga sitwasyon na gusto na nating mag-react or magalit. But if we remember this verse, we can pause, listen, think, and handle the situation with discretion and patience. Mas magiging maayos ang ating mga relasyon sa bawat isa. Let's recite our memory verse again. Santiago 1:19b. Matuto kayong makinig, dahan-dahan sa pagsasalita, at huwag agad magagalit. Santiago 1:19b. Remember, listen, think, and control your anger with discretion.
We are CECE Publishing Incorporated. Want more videos? Subscribe, share, like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Together, let's share the gospel.